हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल में। तो आज हम चैप्टर नंबर 3 पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स आज से स्टार्ट करेंगे। तो चैप्टर को शुरू करने से पहले हमें देखना पड़ेगा लीनियर इक्वेशन किसे कहते हैं। तो 9th स्टैंडर्ड में हमने देखा था an equation of the form ax plus b is equal to 0, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. These equations are linear equations because their graphs are lines. If we draw graph of this equation, then we get a line, that is geometrical representation of this equation is a लाइन। तो इस चैप्टर में हमें लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स देखना है। दिस इज ऑल्सो ए लीनियर इक्वेशन बट इट हैज ओनली वन वेरिएबल, दैट इज एक्स। ए एंड बी आर कॉन्स्टेंट्स। इन दिस इक्वेशन एक्स एंड वाई बोथ आर वेरिएबल्स एंड ए बी सी आर रियल नंबर्स। So this equation is a linear equation in two variables. तो उसके कुछ हम उदाहरण लेंगे। तो पहले हम इसका एक उदाहरण देखेंगे। सपोज 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation in one variable. Now we will see how many solution this equation has. If we put x equal to -3, then we get LHS 2x plus 6, that is 2 into -3 plus 6, that is -6 plus 6 is equal to 0. तो जब हम x की कीमत -3 इसकी LHS में हम रखेंगे तो LHS इक्वल टू RHS ऐसा हमको मिल जाता है। तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि -3 इस इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन है। -3 के अलावा और कोई सॉल्यूशन इसके हो सकते हैं क्या? तो नहीं हो सकते, बिकॉज दिस इक्वेशन हैज ओनली वन वेरिएबल, इट हैज ओनली वन सॉल्यूशन। सो -3 इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन। Now we take an example of this type of equation, that is linear equation in two variables. Suppose x plus y is equal to 10. Here a is 1, b is 1 and c is 10. Okay. Now question arises that how many solutions this equation has. If we put x equal to 2, y equal to 8, then we get 2 plus 8, that is 10. That means we get LHS equal to RHS. So 2, 8 is the solution of this linear equation. Similarly, if we put x equal to 3, y equal to 7, then also LHS become RHS. So 3, 7 is another solution. Similarly, we can take infinite number of solutions of this equation. For example, -6, 16, then 10, 0, etc. So we can say that a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Now we consider another linear equation. X minus y is equal to 2. This equation also has infinitely many solutions. For example, x equal to 8, y equal to 6, because 8 minus 6 is 2. So 8 comma 6 is the solution. Similarly 5 3 2 0 4 2 6 4 etc. तो ये समझ में आया। अगर सिंगल इक्वेशन है तो उसके इनफाइनेटली मेनी सॉल्यूशन होंगे। नाउ वी कंसिडर बोथ द इक्वेशंस साइमल्टेनियसली। These all are solutions of this equation and these are all the solution of this equation. But see here, this solution satisfies this equation and does not satisfy this equation because 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 but 2 minus 8 is not equal to 2. तो हमें ये देखना है ऐसा कोई सॉल्यूशन है क्या कि जो दोनों को सेटिस्फाई कर सकता है। तो ऐसा सॉल्यूशन हमें मिल सकता है और वो है 6,4। 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So 6,4 is the common solution for both the equations. ये जो इनफाइनेटली मेनी सॉल्यूशन है वो ग्राफिकली क्या रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, तो इसका हम एक ग्राफ निकालेंगे। दिस इज ए लीनियर इक्वेशन, सो ग्राफ ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन मस्ट बी ए लाइन, वी नो दैट। y इज इक्वल टू 10 minus x. Now we find it's a two solutions because to draw a line minimum 2 points are required. Here is x and here is y, that is 10 minus x. इसमें अगर हम x की कीमत 3 रखेंगे तो हमें मिल सकता है y is equal to 10 minus 3, that is 7. And if we put x equal to 8, then we get y is equal to 10 minus 8, that is 2. तो 3,7 और 8,2 ऐसे दो सॉल्यूशन हमें मिले। अब ये दो पॉइंट हम इस ग्राफ पे प्लॉट करेंगे। सो 3,7, here is 3,7 and 8,2. A line passing through them. This point is 3,7, this point is 8,2. Now if we take another point on this line, suppose 7,3, then this is also a solution of this equation. That means all the points on this line are the solution of this equation. Now line is infinite, so points on them are also infinite. That means an equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. All these points, their coordinates are the solutions of this equation. Okay, now another equation, x minus y is equal to 2. We take two solutions for it. X and y is equal to x minus 2. We can write this equation in y form like this. Take this minus y to this side and 2 to this side. So we get y is equal to x minus 2. Now if we put x equal to 4, then we get y is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. And if we put x equal to 0, then we get y is equal to 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. we plot these 2 points 4, 2 and 0, -2 and draw the line passing through them. Here also infinitely many points lies on this line, and coordinates of all these points are the solution of this equation. So it has infinitely many solutions. Now, is there any point which satisfy both the equations? Then that point must lie on both the lines. Here both the lines intersect each other in this point. Now coordinates, x coordinate of this point is 6 and y coordinate of this point is 4. So 6, 4, this point lies on both the lines. So this is the common solution for both the equations. So we can say that x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. This is a pair of linear equations. So common solution of these two equations is 6, 4. Okay. We know that two lines intersect each other in only one point. Okay. But if we are given two lines in a plane, then how many possibilities are there for these two lines? First possibility is that two lines intersect each other like this. Another possibility is that both the lines are parallel or both the lines are coincident. अगर दो लाइन एक दूसरे को सिर्फ एक पॉइंट में इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं तो इसका मतलब ये दो इक्वेशन का एक ही सॉल्यूशन होगा, लाइक दिस 6, 4. अगर दो लाइन एक दूसरे के ऊपर है, दैट मीन्स कोइंसाइड्स, दैट मीन्स all the points which are on this line also lies on another line because both the lines are coincides. So all the points on this line are the common solution. So in this case both the equations has infinitely many solutions. Okay. And if two lines are parallel to each other, then they do not intersect each other, so they have no common solution. तो ये समझ में आया? ठीक है. इसके बाद एक्सरसाइज 3.1 हम देखेंगे. तो इसमें 3 प्रॉब्लम्स है, तो 3 प्रॉब्लम्स इसका सॉल्यूशन अब हम निकालेंगे. तो पहला प्रॉब्लम है, आफ्ताब टेल्स हिज डॉटर, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Solution. तो इसमें आफ्ताब कहता है अपने लड़की को कि 7 साल पहले मैं तुमसे 7 गुना बड़ा था, 7 साल पहले, और आज से 3 साल बाद मैं तुमसे 3 गुना बड़ा हो जाऊंगा. तो 7 साल पहले कितना बड़ा था? 7 गुना बड़ा था, और आज से 3 साल बाद 3 गुना बड़ा हो जाऊंगा. तो हमें ये सिचुएशन अलजेब्रिकली और ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना है. ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं करने का, सिर्फ अलजेब्रिकली और ग्राफिकली हमें ये रिप्रेजेंट करना है. लेट प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ आफ्ताब is x years and present age of his daughter is y years. Therefore, by first condition, तो देखिए 7 साल पहले दोनों की एज कितनी होगी? आज आफ्ताब की एज है x ईयर्स, तो 7 साल पहले कितनी होगी? x माइनस 7. सिमिलरली एज ऑफ हिज डॉटर 7 ईयर्स एगो वॉज, 7 साल पहले दोनों की जितनी एज थी, तो उन एज में हमें कुछ रिलेशन दिया है, तो वो रिलेशन मतलब फर्स्ट कंडीशन. तो क्या कंडीशन है? देखो 7 साल पहले आफ्ताब की एज 7 टाइम्स थी. दैट मीन्स x माइनस 7, दैट इज दिस इज द एज ऑफ आफ्ताब 7 ईयर्स एगो, एंड दिस एज वॉज 7 टाइम्स, that is 7 into age of his daughter at that time, that is y minus 7. So solving this we get x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49, that is x minus 7y is equal to minus 49. Take this minus 7 to RHS, so x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. We call this equation 1. By second condition, तो अगली कंडीशन है आज से 3 साल बाद. तो आज से 3 साल बाद दोनों की एज क्या होगी? x प्लस 3 और y प्लस 3. सो रिलेशन बिटवीन देम विल बी x प्लस 3. नाउ दिस एज विल बी 3 टाइम्स दैट ऑफ age of his daughter. So 3 into y plus 3. Solving this we get x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. So x minus 3y is equal to, take this 3 to RHS, so x minus 3y is equal to 6. So equation 1 and 2 represent this situation algebraically. Okay, now we represent this situation graphically, that is we draw their graphs. For that we take 2 solutions of this equation and 2 solutions of this equation. For that first write this equation in y form or x form. You can take any one of the 2 forms, that is in x form or y form. So x equal to, take this minus 7y to RHS, becomes plus 7y minus 42. Here this equation in x form, therefore put the value of first y in this equation. If we put y is equal to, suppose 6, then we get x is equal to 7 into 6, that is 42. 42 minus 42 is 0. So we get one solution 0, 6. Now put y is equal to, suppose 5, then we get minus 7. 5 7s are 35. 35 minus 42 is minus 7. Another equation, x minus 3y is equal to 6, that is x is equal to 6 plus 3y. We take this 3y to RHS. Here also we take 2 solutions. Put y is equal to 0, then we get 6 plus 3 into 0, that is 0. So 6 plus 0 is 6. Next put y is equal to minus 3, then we get 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, 6 minus 9 is minus 3. And now we plot the graph. Here equation 1 and 2 represent the situation algebraically. Now take the point 0, 6. Here is this point 0, 6. Minus 7 on x-axis is here and 5 on y-axis is here. So we get this point. Now we draw line between them. Suppose this point is A and this point is B. Another equation. Plot the point 6, 0. Here is 6, 0. And next minus 3, minus 3. In third quadrant we get this minus 3, minus 3. And draw a line passing through them. Here is point C, 6, 0, and D, minus 3, minus 3. Thus we represent this situation graphically.